Hey guys, my name is Tyson Thornton. Sorry, I've got like a halo because of the light, but I can't really change the positioning of my webcam right now. Anyway, I'm from Layton, Utah, uh, and originally from Farmington, Utah, not too far away. But I lived a lot of different places. I lived in California for a long time, lived in Maryland, Virginia. Um, just doing work and then with my family. But currently in Layton, and my major is the web development and design uh, program, and I started through the Pathway program, and I've been taking courses now with BOU Idaho for a couple semesters, and so I work full time. I work for a software company in Salt Lake, and it's medical software for eye doctors, and I do implementation and training with them. Um, but I don't have a whole lot of exposure to the back end side of it, and so I've always been curious uh, and wanted to get into that, and so that's why I've been doing web development and trying to do some basic coding and stuff like that. I'd like to get into web design and building websites, and haven't really. I've tinkered around a little bit with some things and projects, but nothing that I would say that that's finished or anything. Um, all right, yeah. So I've been married for about just over a year, and me and my wife have a dog named Goose, and yeah, my wife is doing the dental hygiene program right now up at Weber State, and so we're hoping to finish right around the same time, and we're both a little bit older. We're in our mid 30s now, and met each other a little bit later in life, and but still working on some common goals, and so it's been really good. But anyway, excited to get to know everyone and chat with y'all, and good luck to everyone this semester. Thanks.